Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to find the divergence and curl of the vector v equals to xyzi plus 3x square yj plus xz square minus y square zk at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Okay, this question was asked in the 2017 VTU paper. Now let's focus on the solution. Okay, so the given vector v is equals to xyzi plus 3x square yj plus xz square minus y square zk. Okay, now first we will find the divergence. So divergence of vector v is equals to del dot vector v. This can be written as dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k into vector v is what? I'll just write it down. This is the vector v. Now just multiplying the corresponding elements, I will get cancelled, jj will get cancelled, kk will get cancelled. That is k into k is 1, j into j is 1 and I into I is 1 in the dot product. So I will get dou by dou x of xyz plus dou by dou y of 3x square y plus dou by dou z of xz square minus y square z. Okay. Now differentiating partially with respect to x, we get yz plus differentiating partially with respect to y 3x square, just 3x square, plus differentiating partially with respect to z is 2xz minus y square. Done. Now divergence of vector v at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1, which is equals to minus 1 into 1 plus 3 times x is 2 square plus 2 into 2 into 1 minus 1 the whole square. Right, so if I simplify this is minus 1 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 4 minus 1. So it's going to be minus 1 minus 2. So it's going to be minus 2, 12 minus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Right, so divergence of vector v at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 is 14. Done. So this is the divergence. Now we will find the curl. So curl of vector v is equals to I, j, k. Okay, dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Now this is x, y, z. Okay, 3x square y and this is xz square minus y square z. Done. Now I'm just going to find the determinant of this. So it's going to be dou by dou x of xz square minus y square z minus dou by this is wrong. Okay, leave this column, leave this row. So it's going to be dou by dou y xz square minus y square z minus dou by dou z 3x square y. Done. Now I'll take a new fresh paper. Now minus j. So leave this column, leave this row. It's going to be dou by dou x of xz square minus y square z. Okay, minus dou by dou z xyz. Okay, plus k. So leave this column, leave this row. So it's going to be dou by dou z xyz k. Right, leave this column, leave this row. So it's going to be dou by dou x 3x square y minus dou by dou y xyz. Done. Now after simplifying this, I times differentiating with respect to y. So minus 2yz differentiating with respect to z. So it's 0 minus j. So differentiating with respect to x, z square minus differentiating with respect to z, xy plus k. So it's going to be differentiating with respect to x. So 2x, so 6xy minus xz. Minus xz. So I hope it is fine till here. Now further simplifying this, we get minus 2yzi plus, I'll just write the plus xy, okay, minus z square j, correct? I'm just multiplying minus inside, plus this is going to be 6xy minus xzk. Now curl of vector v at the point, what was the point, 2 comma minus 1 comma 1, right? So it's going to be minus 2 into minus 1 into 1 I plus 2 into minus 1 square j plus 6 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1 k, which is equals to, this is going to be plus 2i, this is going to be minus 2 minus 1, so minus 3j plus, not sure if it is plus, 6 2s are 12, minus 12 minus 2, so minus 14k, right? So curl vector v at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 is equals to 2i minus 3j minus 14k. Done. So this is the answer. So finding the divergence and curl of the vector at this point. So first, this is the given vector, right? This is the given vector. So finding divergence of vector v, that is the del dot vector v. Del is written like this, vector v. Now just multiply the corresponding elements. If you multiply, the I into I is 1, j into j is 1, k into k is 1. So you get this. Then partially differentiate with respect to x, y and z. So when you partially differentiate, you get this. Now substitute the values 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. So at these points, the divergence of vector v is 40. Okay, now we are going to find the curl of vector v. So to find the curl of vector v, we need to find the determinant of the del and the vector v. So del is what? The unit vectors are I, j and k. The del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou y and dou by dou z, I, j and k respectively. Similarly, xyz, 3x square y and xz square minus y square z. So we are going to find the determinant here. I, when you're finding the determinant, when you're writing the I first, you just leave that column and leave that row and multiply this minus multiply this. So you will get that. The next one is j. For j, you have to write the minus then j, and then leave that column, leave that row, multiply this minus multiply this. For similarly for k, plus k, that is the rule, plus k, leave this column, leave this row, multiply this minus multiply this. Okay, this is how you're going to get. So now I have done that. So I have multiplied everything. Now at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1, substitute the values of x, y and z and find out the curl of vector v. Okay, curl of vector v. So that is the curl of vector v at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 is 2i minus 3j minus 14k. Okay, so hence this is the vector, curl vector v at the point 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share, and just spread it across.